Need a good lunch after working up an appetite on our historic King District tour? Hi, I'm Ariel with Unexpected Atlanta, the city's #1 food and history tour company, and we've got the dish on the local spots to grab a bite and digest all the neighborhood history. Our first recommendation is the mouth-watering Slutty Vegan. Yeah, we know that's a name that's going to be hard to forget. This fast casual Black-owned restaurant serves up some of the tastiest plant-based comfort food. Pinky Cole, the mind behind Slutty Vegan, started out by selling vegan burgers on Instagram and has since made it her mission to bring vegan food options and awareness to her communities. Now it's incredibly popular, and celebrities like Tyler Perry and Snoop Dogg count themselves as fans. There are many locations throughout the city, including one only a block away from our tour's endpoint. Our next suggestion is only a 10-minute walk from the end of the tour, the 100-year-old Sweet Auburn Municipal Market. Locals call this the curb market because during segregation, Black vendors had to sell outside at the curb. But these days it's Georgia's only public market and it's brimming with fresh local produce. Vendors dish out everything from local favorites like down-home barbecue to international delights like Ethiopian collards or falafel sandwiches. It's like taking a little world tour right here in Atlanta. Now, if you're looking for a breakfast kick after the tour, head on over to the Atlanta Breakfast Club on Auburn Ave, which you'll have passed along our tour's route. They know their way around a griddle. This is a boutique breakfast bistro specializing in chicken and waffles. My favorite is their Dirty Bird. It's a fried chicken breast and it's smothered with black pepper and you get it with a waffle. It's a true Southern classic. If you're having trouble figuring out what you're craving, meander 15 minutes over to Krog Street Market, which is packed with local food stalls. In fact, it was named one of the world's best food halls by Travel and Leisure. You'll find fresh dumplings from Goose, baked goods from the French bakery Little Tart, and hearty cheesesteaks at Fred's Meat and Bread. If you're ready for more exploring after your lunch break, the Krog Street Market is also a great location to pick up the Beltline, a beloved walking path connecting many of Atlanta's neighborhoods. And for those of y'all looking to wet your whistle, Biggerstaff Brewing is the ticket. Located on Edgewood Ave, less than a 10-minute walk from the end of the tour, they're crafting up some tasty beers that pair well with their smokehouse-style menu, as well as artisanal coffees to perk you up. Their large front patio is a great place to relax and people watch. So after you've soaked in all the rich history of the Sweet Auburn neighborhood on our historic King District tour, go get a taste of it for yourself. These spots are more than just restaurants. They're supporting the local community and serving up a side of Southern hospitality. Check out more favorites at unexpectedatlanta.com. There you can purchase tickets, check out our many history and art tour offerings, and see why we're TripAdvisor's #1 tour and attraction in Atlanta. And hit those like and subscribe buttons to stay in the know about all things Atlanta.